Section 1. What is materials engineering? Everything around us is made of materials. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we use, materials are an integral part of our daily lives. Materials engineers are the superheroes who make those materials better. They study metals, plastics, ceramics, and composites. These experts dive deep into the properties of each material to understand how they can be improved. They figure out how to make these materials stronger, lighter, or more durable. Imagine a world where your car is lighter, but just as strong, or where your phone is more durable and can withstand drops. Think of your phone. It's tiny, but powerful thanks to materials engineers. They have developed materials that make your phone not only sleek and stylish, but also robust and efficient. Materials engineers are like detectives. They investigate the tiniest details to solve big problems. They analyze failures and successes to continuously improve materials. They solve problems and make our world a better place. Whether it's creating more sustainable materials or developing new technologies, their work has a profound impact on our daily lives. They work in labs, offices, and factories, always innovating. Their workspaces are filled with cutting-edge technology and equipment that help them push the boundaries of what materials can do. From the cars we drive to the buildings we live in, materials engineers make our lives safer, easier, and more fun. They design materials that can withstand extreme conditions, making our infrastructure more resilient. Their innovations lead to more energy-efficient buildings and safer, more reliable transportation. The future of materials engineering is incredibly exciting. New materials are being developed that could revolutionize industries. Imagine self-healing materials, or materials that can adapt to their environment. The possibilities are endless, and materials engineers are at the forefront of these groundbreaking advancements. Materials engineers often collaborate with other fields such as chemistry, physics, and engineering to bring their innovations to life. This interdisciplinary approach leads to more comprehensive solutions and drives progress in various sectors. Ultimately, materials engineers are making a global impact. Their work not only improves our quality of life, but also addresses some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as sustainability and resource efficiency. They are truly the unsung heroes of modern technology and innovation. Section 2. Materials engineering shaping our world. Materials engineers are the masterminds behind the scenes, making our world work better. They are the unsung heroes who ensure that the materials we use in our everyday lives are optimized for performance, safety, and sustainability. They play a crucial role in various industries like building rockets for space exploration. Without their expertise, the dream of exploring the cosmos would remain just that, a dream. They meticulously design and test materials that can endure the harsh conditions of space. Imagine designing lightweight yet super strong materials that can withstand extreme temperatures. These materials must perform flawlessly in the most demanding environments, from the freezing void of space to the scorching heat of re-entry. That's the magic of materials engineering in aerospace. It's a field where innovation meets practicality, ensuring that every component is both efficient and reliable. But it's not just about reaching for the stars. Materials engineers are also making significant strides here on Earth. Materials engineers are also revolutionizing the automotive industry. They are at the forefront of developing new materials that make vehicles safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. They develop lighter and stronger materials for cars, making them more fuel efficient and eco-friendly. These innovations help reduce the carbon footprint of our vehicles, contributing to a more sustainable future. From the sleek exterior to the powerful engine, materials engineering drives innovation in the automotive world. Every aspect of a car, from its body to its engine components, benefits from the advancements in materials science. This continuous improvement not only enhances performance, but also ensures that our vehicles are safer and more durable. Section 3. Blast off with materials. Engineering aerospace and beyond. Remember those amazing rockets we talked about? Materials engineers make space travel possible. They create heat shields that protect spacecraft during atmospheric re-entry. They develop lightweight but strong materials for aircraft bodies, making planes safer and more fuel efficient. But their work extends far beyond Earth. Materials engineers are developing advanced materials for satellites, telescopes, and other space exploration equipment. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, allowing us to explore the universe like never before. Section 4. Powering the future materials engineering in electronics. Our world runs on electronics, and materials engineers are the power behind them. They develop the materials that make our smartphones, computers, and televisions possible. Think about the sleek glass on your phone screen or the powerful processors that make it run smoothly. Materials engineers are also at the forefront of developing new technologies like flexible electronics, wearable devices, and even quantum computers. They're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible with electronics, making our devices smaller, faster, and more powerful. Section 5. Healing with Innovation Materials Engineering in Medicine. Materials engineering is revolutionizing healthcare and improving lives. They develop biocompatible materials for implants like artificial joints and heart valves. These materials are designed to work seamlessly with the human body, restoring mobility and extending lives. But that's not all. Materials engineers are also creating advanced materials for drug delivery systems, allowing for targeted treatments with fewer side effects. They're even developing materials for regenerative medicine, paving the way for growing new tissues and organs. Materials engineering is transforming healthcare and giving hope to millions. Section 6. Is a materials engineering degree in your future? Job market and salaries. So, you want to be a materials engineer? Great choice. This field is not only fascinating, but also incredibly impactful. Materials engineering is at the heart of innovation, driving advancements in technology and industry. The job market is hot, hot, hot. With the rapid pace of technological development, the need for skilled materials engineers is skyrocketing. Companies in aerospace, automotive, electronics, and medicine are all looking for talented materials engineers. These industries rely on materials engineers to develop stronger, lighter, and more sustainable materials. With a growing demand for new and innovative materials, your skills will be in high demand. Imagine working on the next generation of electric vehicles or developing materials that can withstand extreme conditions in space. The possibilities are endless. Materials engineers get paid well. The average salary is very competitive, and with experience, you can earn even more. Entry-level positions offer a solid starting salary, and as you gain experience and expertise, your earning potential increases significantly. The average salary is very competitive, and with experience, you can earn even more. Plus, the field offers excellent job security as the demand for materials engineers continues to grow. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that your work is making a real difference in the world. Whether it's creating more efficient batteries, developing biocompatible materials for medical implants, or designing sustainable packaging, your contributions will have a lasting impact. So, if you're passionate about science and innovation, a degree in materials engineering could be the perfect fit for you. Section 7. Gearing up for success. Education and skills for materials engineers. Ready to embark on the exciting journey of becoming a materials engineer? A bachelor's degree in materials science or engineering is your ticket to this rewarding field. But it's not just about hitting the books. Hands-on experience is key. Look for internships and participate in research projects to gain practical skills. Develop strong problem-solving abilities, critical thinking, and a knack for teamwork. Remember, materials engineering is a collaborative field, so communication and interpersonal skills are essential. Section 8. The challenges and rewards of materials engineering. Like any superhero, materials engineers face challenges. Developing new materials takes time, research, and lots of testing. You might encounter setbacks along the way, but that's all part of the process. But the rewards are immense. Imagine seeing your creation, a new type of material, used in a life-saving medical device or a groundbreaking spacecraft. Knowing that your work is making a real difference is the ultimate reward. Section 9. Materials engineering for a better tomorrow. Materials engineers are at the forefront of creating a more sustainable future. They're developing eco-friendly materials that are biodegradable, recyclable, and energy efficient. Imagine a world with less waste and a smaller environmental footprint. And then there's nanotechnology, the science of the extremely small. Materials engineers are harnessing the power of nanomaterials to create lighter, stronger, and more efficient products. From self-healing materials to super-efficient solar cells, nanotechnology is revolutionizing our world. Section 10. Is a materials engineering degree worth it? So, is a materials engineering degree worth it? Absolutely. If you're passionate about science, technology, and making a real difference in the world, this field is for you. You'll have the opportunity to work on cutting-edge technologies, solve challenging problems, and contribute to a more sustainable future. With a growing job market, excellent salary potential, and the chance to shape the world around us, a materials engineering degree is an investment in a bright and fulfilling future.